Hello, weekend crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your weekend crafter, and I'm officially on Christmas mode. For this weekend, I will show you how I decorate these bubble ornaments. First, let us flatten the clay into the number 6 or 7 setting. I'm starting this thin because we're actually going to do a mirror image. Get the half of the bubble ornament and trace 2 circles. I clean the edges of the circle using my detail needle. Now it's time to decorate. I get some white clay and flatten it out into the number 7 setting. I tear into the white clay to have more organic edges. I again use the bubble ornament to remove the excess clay. Next, let's make Christmas trees using this silicone mold. Really press the clay in to get the details of the mold. Then use a satin slice to remove any excess clay. Make 2 trees, 1 for each of the circles. I cut it down a bit because I want the top to have some space. I also add more texture to the trees using my detail needle. These gets placed onto the circles. Next, I bring out the star mold and make 2 stars using my gold clay. Again, the clay has to be pressed down and the excess clay must be removed. Place the stars on top of the trees. Finally, make some red snakes and cut these snakes into small bits and roll them out into tiny balls to place onto the Christmas tree. Do this with the other colors as well. I also rolled out some white clay to make snow. Now that we have identical pieces, it's time to get these baked, following the instructions on the packaging. Once baked, it's time to attach the two pieces with some liquid clay. This goes into the oven again to get baked. Now it's time to place them inside the bubble ornament. These are the ornaments that I've made, and I'm really excited to start decorating my tree. I'm sure you can also think of your own fun ideas for these bubble ornaments. If you haven't yet, I hope you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studios for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!